MAYDA Street and Logan Home in Brisbane. I've got the house to lock-up stage now. It's only a couple of months into it. Got a few different trades here today. Got the air conditioning, got the carpenter, tiler, all sorts of things. Hey, how are you?
Good, are you?
Good. Paint is on the outside, so all the ducting for the air conditioning has been put in now, so it's got fully ducted aircon. So next stage, all the electrical's ready, looks like the plumbing's done. I think next week we've got the gyprock coming, or the plasterboard.